So we are at the last stop of our day 2. We're going for a cave. So what's it called?
Vidgelmir.
Okay.
So our second day is actually our first proper day on the road. This will take us north towards Reykholt, where we will be looking at some of the best sites that this part of Iceland has to offer.
We're now hiking up to Grabrok Crater. It's a bit far, so we probably need 30-40 minutes of hike.
Let's go. Grabrok is one of the largest craters in Iceland. It's been protected as a nature reserve since 1962, and the hike to the top is actually quite comfortable with very easily accessible stairs. So what do you think of the scenery?
It's good, yeah, it's very pretty here. Nice and scenic, it's not too cold either.
And I guess your favourite bit is these snowy mountains.
Definitely. I really want to go on the top of there.
Alright, so we've now arrived at Deildartunguhver Natural Spring. And the smell of sulphur is really strong. The Deildartunguhver spring is actually one of the hottest springs in Europe, reaching temperatures of 100 degrees Celsius, and it's well worth a visit if you're in this part of Iceland.
So now we are stopping at next waterfall. It's called Hraunfossar Waterfall. Let's have a look.
Hraunfossar is a series of waterfalls that are formed by smaller streams coming from the lava field. These smaller streams pour into this one large big river, and the whole spectacle makes for some great footage.
It's our last stop of the day, and we're going for the cave visit with Vidgelmir. They say like it's nice ice caves and we can still see the ice, even it's summertime, but hopefully we will be able to see some ice and some ice particles as well, so let's see.
The Cave Vidgelmir is quite spectacular and it's well worth a visit. It's one of the largest caves in Iceland, and it has some great underground ice formations that you can see. Moreover than that, even though it's dark, it's not very small. So even if you're claustrophobic, you should be fine.
Stalagmites here, and a bit more coming on the right and on the left, look down.
Wow.
So we call them stalagmites, but I like to think about them as a lost souls that just didn't find its way in the lava field. And here they are. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Let's go.
What does this wall remind you of?
Caramel.
Pardon?
Caramel.
Caramel, okay.
Like melting chocolate. Or
Yes,
shortbread.
that's very nice. Wax, maybe?
Yes.
So we call it a chocolate wall.
Thank you so much.